Hi, welcome to Apify, your one-stop shop for web scraping and automation. Love it or hate it, Amazon remains the Goliath of the e-commerce industry and is getting bigger every day, with more and more sellers using it to create successful online businesses. That means more competition. Web scraping is one of the tools that these sellers are using to keep ahead of their competitors by monitoring prices and tracking products. So in this video, we'll show you how scraping Amazon with Amazon Product Scraper lets you extract and download Amazon data for competitive intelligence that will empower your online business. Start by going to apify.it/Amazon-products. You'll be taken directly to the Amazon Product Scraper page. Here you can find more details about the scraper and its features in the README section. So don't forget to read it if you want to know more about what the scraper can do. Now just click on Try for Free to get started. If you don't already have an Apify account, take a minute to sign up. There's no credit card required and you get $5 of credit every month. Otherwise, just log right in. Once we're on the Amazon Product Scraper page, let's create a new task so we can save this configuration and reuse it later. In the input options, you can start by adding the URLs you want to search for on Amazon. You can add as many as you want by using the +add button. You can also select a maximum number of items. Setting a maximum number is wise if you want to extract data very quickly. If this is your first time using the scraper, just use the default settings to test it so you can see how quick and easy it is. For this tutorial, we are going to use the default settings and scrape 100 items from the cell phones and accessories category on Amazon. With the proxy configuration settings, you can choose your own proxies, but we recommend using the automatic proxy option for better performance and cost effectiveness. Once you are happy with your setup, click Start. While the scraper is running, you'll see the data coming in, but it hasn't finished until the status changes to Succeeded, so hold your horses. As you can see, Amazon Product Scraper has just scraped 100 items in just over 2 minutes. Congratulations! Now you can export the data you have collected in multiple formats and even preview the data before downloading it. If you're interested in extracting even more data from the web, you can visit Apify Store to access hundreds of ready-to-use tools that can help you with your web scraping or automation projects. Also, if you are interested in joining a community of like-minded web scraping and automation enthusiasts, come and join our Discord channel, link in the description. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe and check out our other tutorials. That's it for now. So long, and thanks for all the likes.